Hi, it's KK. Do you know the feeling when you literally just have to have chocolate? Yes, I mean you, Miss Bear. He was sneakily eating chocolate. Sorry. So, today I'm going to show you how to make a microwavable cake. You will need sugar, flour, cocoa powder, eggs and vegetable oil, vanilla extract and orange extract. How do you feel? To start with, mix the dry ingredients. By the way, the measurements for these are down below, so yeah, just look below. This can get messy. You add the wet ingredients. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I can just find it. No, that's quarter. That's way too big. Yep, there's half. Okay. Whoa, that was way too much. By the way, you need milk, so yeah, you need milk. Measurement for milk is down below as well, so yeah. Ew, it looks like gooey. Now we're gonna mix it. Now you pour it in and mix the mixtures together. Should get like gooey. Now before you add the chocolate chips, you cover them with flour. Now you mix like so. Soft. Now you pour it in. Now you do not use your whisk, you use a spatula to fold it. Now let me clear up a bit. Now pour the mixture into a microwavable bowl. Microwave it for 3 to 4 minutes, and 2 to 3 minutes. And watch it while you microwave it. Let me grab my oven mitt. Now let's test to see if it's cooked. It's very gooey. Let's try and serve this. I tried to serve it as a ball. Pretty magic. Look at this cake. It's nice and gooey. This is what makes a good chocolate cake. Just saying. So to make it even more nicer, I'm gonna add a dollop of ice cream. So there you have it. KK's Easy Chocolate Cake. This was my brother. Literally have to have, sorry. Know the feeling when you literally have to have chocolate? Well, today, sorry.